Welcome to Starry Arts Online 3D Virtual Museum, where you will see lots of amazing original children's artworks. Do you want a chance to have your artwork displayed in this museum too? Well, join now for our holiday art classes this summer holidays for your chance to bring your art to life. Wow, look at this amazing character! Did you know it was actually designed by one of our Starry Arts students? Look at how it became a super cute 3D character! If you have some original artworks from our Starry Arts classes, you will be invited to join our unique Starry Arts 3D framing classes to make a surprise gift. Join now and bring your art to life! Alright, see you soon! Bye bye!